Hello and welcome to the American Republic, where we bring you the latest news and opinions on all things conservative. Today, we want to talk about the latest move by the Biden administration that is set to hurt homeowners with good credit scores. Yesterday, the Washington Times reported that the Biden gang is pushing to force borrowers with good credit scores to cover a portion of poor credit borrowers' loans. What this means is that homebuyers with good credit scores will soon encounter a costly surprise. A new federal rule will force them to pay higher mortgage rates and fees to subsidize people with riskier credit ratings who are also in the market to buy houses. The fee changes will go into effect May 1st as part of the Federal Housing Finance Agency's push for affordable housing. And they will affect mortgages originating at private banks across the country. The federally backed home mortgage companies Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will enact the Loan Level Price Adjustments, or LLPAs. This move is a clear example of the Biden administration's preference for the undisciplined over the disciplined. Mortgage industry specialists say homebuyers with credit scores of 680 or higher will pay, for example, about $40 per month more on a home loan of $400,000. Homebuyers who make down payments of 15% to 20% will get socked with the largest fees. Sorry to interrupt, but before we continue, please support us by sharing and subscribing to our channel, The American Republic. Your support helps us continue to bring you important stories like this one. Newsmax reported on this as well and says that this couldn't come at a worse time. Mortgage lenders and real estate lenders are opposed to the new fees and say they will confuse and frustrate homebuyers, who will view them as penalties for building good credit. Not only that, but the additional costs could not come at a worse time, after a year in which the Federal Reserve has raised interest rates at the fastest pace since the 1980s, lifting mortgages above 6%. The Biden administration is increasing rates to curb the 40-year high inflation, but the price of housing is dropping at its fastest rate since 2012. House prices suffered their biggest annual drop since 2012 as rising mortgage rates deterred would-be buyers from moving. The median U.S. property is now worth $400,528, down 3.3% from a year ago, according to data from real estate brokerage Redfin. Boom towns like Boise, Idaho, and Austin, Texas, which saw values shoot up during the pandemic, underwent the steepest losses. At the same time that rates are at their highest since 2008 and housing prices are falling the most in a decade, the Biden gang decides to take money from disciplined homeowners to give to the undisciplined. This move by the Biden administration is not only unfair but also counterproductive. By punishing homeowners with good credit scores, they are discouraging people from being financially responsible. The message being sent is that it's better to have bad credit than to have good credit, which is not a message we want to be sending to our citizens. The American Republic believes that this move is just another example of how the Biden administration is out of touch with the American people. They seem to be more interested in punishing success than promoting it. It's time for the American people to wake up and realize that we need to elect leaders who will put the needs of the American people first. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more conservative news and opinions.